Hi, kindergarten friends. We're going to do a directed drawing today, and this one has to do with our science unit. It's a flower, so let's draw a flower together. Okay, so the first step is to make sure your paper is long and tall, and then toward the bottom of the page, draw a bumpy line across the page, kind of like a belt on the page, one side to the other side, a bumpy line. Okay, and in the center of the bumpy line, draw a line straight up and another line straight up. Below the bumpy line, draw squiggly lines, squiggly, stretched out. So like 1, 2, 3, 4 squiggly lines, and then add tiny lines out from each line. So like this, watch. Tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line. Tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line. Tiny line, tiny line, tiny line, tiny line. So just draw little tiny lines stretching out from this, okay? Now, the next step is in the middle of the two lines up, draw a rainbow curve out on one side. So like this, rainbow curve, see that? And then under the rainbow curve, you're going to add a smile curve and join them together. In the center of that, it's a leaf. So in the center of it, you're going to draw a line with like a short line out on each side. Now, above the two lines, you're going to skip a space. So not right where the lines end, but you're going to skip a space, like kind of a big space here, and you're going to put a circle. So you're going to have a big space between the circle and the two lines. Now you're going to go around the circle and draw some thin rainbow bumps. So I want to show you what those kind of look like. So like it goes all the way down to the two lines. And then you do another one. And then another. And then another. And then another. And then another. The petals. And then you're going to add the labeling. Okay, so, but first, color. So I want to show you. First, you're going to color in your picture, and I'll show you an example. And then you are going to add those words that are at the back of your packet today. And you are going to label the parts of the flower. So here, I'll show you. Here's an example. So once you've colored in your picture, it could look something like this. You color in the soil, you color in the stem and the leaf, you color in the petals of the flower. Maybe you put a little background with like a sunshine. There's some blue sky in the back, okay? And then you are going to label the parts. So the words that are used to label are sun, air, flower, leaf, stem, roots, and soil. Okay, so that is what you are going to do to make your flower. All right, everybody, I can't wait to see these. Hope your own seeds are growing up into plants that will become flowers. Bye.